So we have quickly became the #1 used car dealer for bespoke commercials. This is another example of what we provide. This is a Ford Ranger Wildtrak 2424. It's got some lovely bespoke features that we're going to show you around. It's done 523 miles, so it's as good as new. 3-litre diesel V6 VAT qualifying commercial, but it's one of the best looking trucks that you can physically get on the road. You'll have seen the illuminated animated LED grille. You'll also know the Predator style front bull bars. Car's finished in Carbonised grey, which is a lovely colour to begin with, but that front end will just have people questioning what is this car, but you know what it is now. It's a Ford Ranger Wildtrak. It's got extended arches in gloss black, tying lovely with those 20-inch multi-spoke satin black alloy wheels. So again, you usually see Wildtraks of 18s, 19s on not 20s. Fixed side steps, the pod lights I've already shown you. Huge selling point on the Wildtraks is that if you wanted to use this as a car, you can do that very comfortably because the amount of space you've got, the way the interior looks and feels. You've got leather with the orange stitching symbolising it's a Wildtrak, privacy glass, steps to help you get children in and out of the back. The wide arches continue to the rear, gloss black on the back as well. This particular one has been bedlined for you already. So again, there's a cost saving there somewhere in the region of £500, but also the time saving. If you are looking for a commercial truck, what you don't want is it off the road for a week while it gets all these things done to it. It's already done and sorted for you. Paintwork, it's pointless talking about. It's done 500 miles. It's a brand new truck. Interior, you've got electrically adjustable seats and they are heated. That orange stitching continues throughout the interior, and then you've got that huge tablet screen. If you compare this to the previous model Ford Ranger, they're absolutely worlds apart, but then partner that with a 3-litre V6, you've got plenty of power and towing capabilities if that's what you wanted to do. The tablet screen through the centre, which is the big attraction for me, controls everything. So your heated seats, heated steering wheel. There's a lot of prestige premium cars out there that don't have that, but Ford Ranger has it as standard now. Huge tablet for your navigation, but then it controls everything else from your digital radio, your telephone. If you have Apple CarPlay, then you can use that as well. If you're not used to driving a truck, then you can use the rear camera to help you park it. Obviously, if it is new to you, but it is a 4-wheel drive off-road vehicle really. So you've got your different drive modes down here, which you can use, different gravel settings as well. We sell these to all different types of people. We'll sell them to people who use them as a car, but then we also sell them to, I can think of a customer recently who physically grits the roads, puts a plough on the front and uses it in the winter. So they're an unbelievable truck that can go to work. Everything is literally brand new on them. You've got a couple of different glove boxes as well, which is quite a nice touch. So if you are going to use them as a business through the week, leisure on the weekend, keep your paperwork separate, but to pull up to a site, a job, or do a survey in something like this, opposed to pulling up in a van or an old style truck. But that gearbox is very good now. It's a 3-litre V6, so plenty of power. Just an unbelievable all-round truck, and then it's got the style. So instead of having a boring old pickup truck, you can drive something like this where your neighbours and friends are going to be asking, what is that? Great Ford Ranger Wildtrak. The last time we had one in grey and white that had this similar sort of style to it. They sold instantly, so you're going to have to act fast on this one. If you want to give me a call, my number's below, and I look forward to speaking to you.